and welcome back to the One-Handed Gardener. This is your girl Rochelle, and this week we are sowing the seeds that I told you about. So this planter pot will look different in a moment. Are you ready? Let's go. And just like that, the planter is prepared. Look at this lovely earth. It's soft and look rich, ready for planting. Even the single pot, lovely earth. Remember this plant that I do not know what it is. I think I will leave this here and let it grow, and we will see what it will be. I don't think it would trouble the seeds of sweet pepper that I'm going to plant in this planter pot. So I will do that, and then I will go and sow the spinach. This is the type of sweet pepper that I'm going to sow, ground bell mix. So I chose this because all of the pretty colors. So I hope, well, these normally grow well, so well that the pest eats them before we do. Since I'm doing it by my window, I will be able to monitor it closely. If they're growing well, I will sow some more outside. So I'm going to enjoy sowing this, praying as I put them in the earth, and ask the Lord to bless the harvest that I know I will get. So now I'm going to sow these seeds. They say it takes 10 to 20 days to germinate, and just a quarter in the earth I'm supposed to put them in. Just seed spacing, just a half, and yeah, so in about 4 months I should be harvesting some peppers in this planter pot, and I am very excited. So I'm going to do it right now. I sowed 6 seeds, but I don't know if you can see it. It is in there, that yellowish whitish speck, and it is in their homes for hopefully the next 4 months. The mustard greens, you know, they were taken out and they have a new home as well. So now this is finished, then I will go to the single pots and sow the spinach. This is the spinach baby leaf. You see how it look, and you have to put this in the full sun or part shade. In Paris you can sow anything at any time, so it's just 10 millimeters. You sow in the earth, 10 to 14 days germination. Just a little space to sow them apart, and 6 to 8 weeks, so that is 2 months to reap spinach. So These will grow fast and I can't beat. So these will go in the pots, single pots, and we will see how these goes. There are some big seeds for baby spinach. Wow. So I think I might plant two in one hole in the pot, and we will see what will grow and how it will grow. These are finished. Here, and this pot have spinach, and this other pot, and I took one corner of this planter pot and sowed one sowed spinach as well, just one seed, because remember what I said about this planter pot, that I planted parsley seeds and they didn't come except this tomato. This is the only one. This tomato, this is the only one that's there. But now I have noticed some other shoots of something, but I do not know if it is just a weed. As you know, birds are ever at this planter pot, so I don't know if it's seeds from the birds or something was trying still to grow but taking a longer time. So as I say, remember I said I was going to put more pepper in here, the sweet pepper, but I will hold off with that for now. But my tomato is still growing very good, and I am proud I'm still having those. This is my cactus still thriving, my pineapples are thriving, my dill still thriving, and my curry tree. So this is the end of, oh, and I just wanted to show you, you will see that I don't have the same amount of banana trees. That's because I want them gone, because they attract a lot of pests, a lot of those snakes, as I told you, those slugs, and I am tired. So we have a lot of banana trees in the backyard. These trees will go shortly. It's just you're taking it one at a time. You will see the others there drying up, and that could go in the garden outside. And then we'll cut down these ones. These trees normally push out 2 to 3 feet of bananas, and the one in the yard is about 4 to 5 feet. So we could sacrifice these ones for the others. Yes, we have a lot of bananas, and our neighbors as well. Banana trees is no problem in a tropical country as Barbados. You always want a banana, you could go anywhere. I don't eat banana, yucky to me, but I will eat the banana bread. Yes, is, but you have to go in nuts. So yes, it's weird, but that is life. This will show you how the Lord blesses us with things that we need to eat, and that you could even grow yourself, you know, or you see a plant that you are interested in, get, if you can, get a shoot of it, a part of it, and cultivate it at home. A lot of things we bought, we exchanged, we were given, and things were already on the land. So we just making it more and more abundantly. And I thank the Lord so much. I thank Him so much that Jesus come and He tell me to keep doing this. Even if it is a pricey endeavor, sometimes, even if you'll be tired, if I have to shake up myself, the bad, so they have a shake it to tell it, do not bother me while I am filming, I'm recording, because today was a tough day. For the Lord to tell my body, don't break down, let Rochelle record today and share with others. My friends in the disabled community, please, what hobby are you doing? And please, you can message me at Rochelle's Blessings on Instagram. You can email me at onehandedgardener246@gmail.com. Also, you can donate through PayPal or send anything that you want, review or help, to my address, and that all of that will be in the description. Pray again for my garden, pray for your garden, pray for your hobby, and hope that it will help others and bless others as we share about the goodness of Yahweh. Until, keep planting.